What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to lock WhatsApp chats with Face ID on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To ensure the privacy of your WhatsApp conversations, locking specific chats with Face ID adds an extra layer of security. Before we dive into locking chats, it's essential to have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your iPhone. Head over to the Apple App Store, search for WhatsApp, and see if there's an update available. If there's an update, then make sure to update your app. This feature is relatively new, so having the most up-to-date version of WhatsApp is crucial. Once your app is up to date, launch WhatsApp and navigate to the chat you want to lock with Face ID. While on the chat page, tap on the name at the top, which will take you to the contacts info page. Scroll down until you find the Lock Chat option. When you toggle this feature on, WhatsApp will ask you for authentication using Face ID. A successful authentication will turn the toggle green, indicating that the chat is now locked. Locked chats won't appear in your main chat list. To access your locked chats, pull down from the top of the chat list. You'll see a new section titled Locked Chats. Tap on it, and after authenticating with Face ID, you'll be able to access all of your locked chats. Here, you can interact with these chats normally, ensuring that your conversations remain private and secure. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.